Yet again, another partnership for crypto.com that I want to share with you guys in this video. And I'm going to talk about a 20-cent CRO because I think CRO is going to 20 cents, possibly even within the week. There are some signs right now that are showing we are going to continue to get bullish momentum for this as long as Bitcoin can hang on. Earlier today, I did a video for you guys on Bitcoin, giving you an update on the market. Prices at the time of this recording might not be accurate for where we're at, but I want to give you guys an idea of where I think we're going to go for crypto.com, this big partnership that we are seeing coming out, and some of the recent comments from Chris Marszalek tweeting yet again today, showing very bullish stance leading into this bull market, guys. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. If you like the content, smash a like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and let's just go ahead and get right in. Bitcoin broke above $70,000 earlier today. We could be above that. We could be below that at the point that you're watching this video. I recorded it earlier today. But let's look at some of the breaking news. So Bitcoin's obviously busting highs. Binance Coin. Let's talk about this. We say Binance versus Crypto.com. Binance Coin is up 27% over the last 7 days. And now they are, in fact, outperforming Cronos again. I do not think that that is going to be the trend we see throughout this bull market. I could be wrong, but I say that Cronos outpaces Binance Coin in this bull market. That's part of my theory on this upcoming bull market because they are a strong competitor. They have more regulatory compliance. We've talked about this a lot. They have more marketing partnerships. That is one very bullish component. But let's get specific on the newest news that's happening today. First of all, Chris Marszalek tweeted this out. He says, when hitting $70,000 gets boring, this is exactly when we start going further. Now, this is something I want to talk to you guys about. Very interesting tweet of the mental mind games and where Chris Marszalek's mind is at. The CEO of this company is saying something I think is very important here. If you look at Twitter right now, the fact that we are at all-time highs for crypto and the mainstream media and Twitter is not freaking out right now. People were freaking out last week as we were approaching the highs, but now that we're at the highs, I smell fear. A lot of fear. Everybody's calling top right now. Alex Becker just put out a video that said, sell it all, dump it all. That's the mindset of a lot of people in this market right now. People are trying to take profits and get out now because they think it's too good to be true. But now, as we are actually at $70,000, people are feeling that it's getting boring. They're stressed because it's getting boring, and they feel like a dump should be coming. But this comment from Chris Marszalek, I think, is genius because it actually is kind of boring right now. That sounds crazy to say, but if you measure the temperature in the room, sure, the fear and greed index shows that we are greedy right now, right? And we certainly are. Bitcoin's pumped up. I wouldn't be surprised if we got a crash. But this all-time high feels boring. I do think we see more upside. We talked earlier about the supply versus demand, and that favors in the price action of upward momentum for Bitcoin, likely in the future. This is a very interesting idea from Chris Marszalek. Also, know that they are chasing the next billion crypto users. They added a affiliate program. Frankly, as a creator myself, it's not that great of a program. Not really going to make any money from it. We don't have any partnerships with crypto.com, and so you can know that I'm not biased. Aside from the holdings I have 500,000 CRO coins. That's full transparency for you guys, but we're not partnered with them. We don't have any affiliation with them in any capacity. I just hold the coin. I believe in the company. I like the regulatory framework that they've built around their products and the marketing efforts that they had, and I like the CEO of this company and kind of the steps that they've taken as we've seen bull cycle to bear cycle to bull cycle to bear cycle. I think they're heading in the right direction. I think they're going to be a great competitor for crypto.com. But as they bring more users, they're going to have more CRO Coin holders, I believe, and there's more coming, guys. They're even adding in some of these meme tokens that are trendy. I know a lot of people like the CRO Coin, right? It's the meme token of Avalanche. Meme coins are hot. They're listing all these meme tokens because they want new users to come. Buy Shiba Inu on their exchange, Dogecoin on their exchange. Buy Floki, buy all these Inu coin, all these other coins on the exchange. I think that Crypto.com is also going to launch some of these stacks meme tokens that we've been talking about a lot on this channel. But let's talk a little bit about this new marketing partnership that they do have for Web3 ecosystems. Crypto.com and Altava Group expand a Web3 ecosystem. They just partnered up and they signed a deal in Korea yesterday, which is great, getting into new markets still. Vertical AI fashion tech company delivering innovative virtual experiences and products for major fashion brands around the world. Crypto.com is trying to get into anything. They are working to explore working on an NFT marketplace and a payment solution from crypto.com. Just these are things you like to see. Now let's talk about how we get to a 20-cent CRO, because we are moving up right now. Things are looking good. We already saw a spike up to 18 cents. Guys, my next target is 20 cents for crypto.com. If you just look at the weekly candles, and you will see a very clear stopping point that we have for crypto.com on 20 cents. I think that's likely going to be a range we see ourselves easily hitting. We might even go up to 27 cents, but conservatively, I'm looking at 20 cents coming up for CRO. Obviously, there's all these bearish or these bullish narratives with Chris Marsliak tweeting with the partnerships, but one of the biggest things is CRO Coin wants to break out versus it really wants to break out versus Bitcoin. And we've been tracking the CRO versus Bitcoin chart. It put on a higher low versus Bitcoin recently, which was great. We're in this wedge right now. I do think that CRO Coin wants to break out versus Bitcoin in this wedge, and arguably we are at the moment where it is do or die. And so if we break to the upside, a 39% rally versus Bitcoin is on the table. That means CRO could go to 20 cents, possibly even higher. There's a lot of bullish things happening right now. Binance Coin is moving up. I believe CRO Coin is going to move up as well. I see OKX token as a top gaining token as well. Crypto.com had a nice move over the last couple weeks. And frankly, guys, I think that upward momentum will continue. Let me know your thoughts on CRO in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the CEO and this new partnership that he's discussing on his Twitter. Very exciting stuff in my opinion. I think that we still see upward price movements from here. Be aware though, guys, if Bitcoin does take a tumble and Bitcoin falls and we reject this previous all-time high, CRO Coin should come down as well, so you must be aware of it, guys. Please know, none of this is financial advice, guys. This is all speculation, and this is me and my partner on the channel, Black Seas, understanding of these markets. We've been in this thing since 2016. That's why we started in the beginning of the last bear market to bring you guys some news, some understanding of these markets going into a fresh bull cycle, which is really getting started. It's been going, and I think there's a lot more room for growth moving forward, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time. See ya.